All right, let's get right into it. The holidays are literally just around the corner. And you know what that means, right? A massive surge in online spending is about to kick off. Today, we're going to break down exactly how you can use AI to build a profitable online store and grab a piece of that action, even if you're starting from absolute scratch. So, what if I told you that you could take a simple idea, just a spark of creativity, and turn it into a profitable online business in the next 60 days, just in time for the holidays? I know it sounds a little crazy, but it's not just possible. People are doing it right now. And this is your step-by-step blueprint to get in on it before the biggest spending season of the year is over. So, why now? What makes this exact moment so special? Well, it's kind of like a perfect storm in the best way possible. You've got two incredibly powerful forces colliding: the annual holiday shopping frenzy and the absolute revolution happening in AI technology. And I mean, just look at this. It happens every single year. Online sales don't just go up between October and December, they absolutely explode. We're talking a predictable spike of 30, even 40%. This isn't just some small trend, it's a tidal wave of money being spent, and you can put yourself right in front of it. You know, the whole game has changed. The old way of starting an online store, it was a huge headache, a massive gamble. You'd spend hours on design, you'd have to write every single product description by hand, and the worst part, you'd have to risk your own money buying inventory that might never sell. But the new AI way, it's a different world. It automates design, it writes your sales copy for you, and it totally eliminates that inventory risk. That's the magic of the print-on-demand model. You hold zero physical stock. An item is only made after a customer clicks buy and pays for it. This means you can launch a totally professional-looking store with absolutely zero upfront cost. Seriously, the only inventory you actually need is your own creativity. And listen, this isn't just some theory. Real creators are already cashing in. We saw one person start with a single 2024 photo calendar, and it became a total holiday sellout. Another pulled in an incredible $48,000 in profit in just 4 months. What did they have in common? They moved fast, and they looked professional from day one. Okay, so let's get practical. Let's talk strategy. To win, you've got to sell what people are actually looking for. So here are the top 3 product categories that just crush it every single holiday season. All right, first up, we've got a high-margin classic that always feels like an expensive, thoughtful gift. Framed wall art and canvas sets. Think about it. When people see this, they don't just see a print on paper. They see premium home decor. That high perceived value means you can price them for really excellent profit margins. It's a perfect high-ticket gift item. Okay, coming in at number 2, this is all about adding a premium feel to everyday items. Embroidered apparel and hats. A little bit of embroidery instantly makes a simple hoodie or a cap feel special, right? It feels more like a premium brand than just another generic t-shirt. This lets you command higher prices, and since it's all print on demand, every single piece is custom made when it's ordered. And finally, number 3. This is the seasonal slam dunk that people are actively searching for every single year. Calendars, cards, and photo books are absolute gold mines during the holidays. Everyone is looking for those personalized gifts for Christmas and New Year's. But here's the key: fast, local shipping. During the holidays, on-time delivery is everything. It's what gets you those glowing 5-star reviews instead of angry emails. Okay, so now you know what to sell. But how do you actually create it all without it taking over your entire life? Well, this is where the AI automation engine comes in. This is where you turn hours and hours of work into just a few minutes. So platforms like Gelato have these amazing AI tools built right in, and they're total game changers. For design, you can just type a simple prompt, like a watercolor painting of a winter fox in a snowy forest, and the AI generates awesome options for you. Then, with a tool called Instant Collections, you take that one design, and with one click, it automatically puts it on mugs, shirts, posters, you name it. Then Magic Mockups creates stunning, realistic lifestyle photos for you. And finally, the AI publishing assistant writes your titles and SEO-optimized descriptions. It's seriously like having a whole design and marketing team working for you for free. You see, the real power of a tool like Magic Mockups is that it's not just showing a product. It's helping your customer visualize that product in their own life, hanging on their wall, sitting on their coffee table. That's the emotional connection that turns someone who's just browsing into a paying customer. Now, here's the thing. Even with the best tools in the world, you can still trip up. So let's talk insider knowledge. I'm going to show you how to launch in minutes, and just as important, what mistakes to avoid that can absolutely kill your store before it even has a chance. Pay close attention, because these are the 4 big profit killers. Number 1, listing 100 random designs with no clear theme. It just confuses people. 2. Pricing out of fear instead of value. If it looks premium, price it that way. A good rule of thumb, take your base product cost, multiply it by about 2.5, and that's a solid retail price to start with. 3. Using generic mock-ups that don't look like your target customer. And 4. Ignoring those shipping times. Remember, a late Christmas gift is a guaranteed 1-star review. So, what's the fast track? You ready? Here's a 10-minute launch plan. Step 1. Pick one product type to start, say wall art. Step 2. Use AI to generate some designs and mock-ups. Step 3. Let the AI assistant write the listing. Step 4. Do a quick double-check on your pricing and shipping details. Step 5. Hit publish. And boom! Just like that, you are officially an e-commerce store owner. But launching, that's really just the beginning. To really maximize your profit, you need to shift your mindset. It's not just about getting more sales. It's about making every single sale you get count for more. It's about selling smarter. Check out this number, 20%. Studies have shown that's how much you can boost your conversion rate just by offering free shipping. It's this huge psychological trigger for buyers. It's that powerful. So here are a few smart strategies you can use. First, actually track your real profit after all the fees. Second, bundle products together, like a wall art trio, to get that average order value up. Third, offer that free shipping we just talked about, but make sure you build that cost into your product price. And fourth, if you can, promote local production. Telling people their item is made and shipped near you builds a ton of trust and makes them feel good about their purchase. Look, I know it can feel like a lot to take in, but I want you to remember this. Every single successful online business, no matter how big it is today, started in exactly the same way, with just one idea, one product listing, and that very first customer. That's it. That's the only step you need to worry about right now. So, the holiday rush is coming. The AI tools are sitting there, ready to go. The playbook is laid out for you. Everything you need is right here, right now. The only question left is, what are you waiting for?